Today we got our box from the pet food place. Tuck. Tuck, look. Tuck, what do you think of the femur bone? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? What do you think? Is that bigger than you? What do you think? Mama G says she wants to come see what you got. Say, come see Mama. Come see Mama G. Wait, Mama G, you're so picky. You're a princess. Tuck, can you drag this? What do you think, Tuck? Hey, Mama G. Hey, Gigi. What do you think, Tuck? Is that bigger than you? How about we get one your size? How about we get you one your size? What do you think? You're almost as big as Mama now. Tuck. Tuck, look. There's one your size, buddy. How about that? Look. Is that better? Is that your size? So all of our Fosters get pork femurs today, or as soon as I see them. Gee, you hit me with your tail on the head. Mama G, you want your bone? Except for Princess Genevieve. I think it's safe to say that Tuck likes his bone. Alright, in the kennel with your bone. Alright, it's safe to say Tuck likes his bone.